Egészséget.
Egészséget. Good.
Thank you.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going out to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, we're going to make a quick drink. This is a very basic drink. This is called a Tequila Gimlet. So all we need is a glass of ice and 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. And a ½ ounce of Rose's lime. And that, my friends, is a Tequila Gimlet. All right, there's your Appies with Chappy by the lake. I did some Greek chicken drumsticks. So, super easy. I just rubbed a little extra virgin olive oil on it, some Greek oregano, garlic, and lemon. And then I popped them on the grill. And that's your Appies with Chappy by the lake Balaton edition. All right, let's go look at some footage from the lake. Thanks for watching that episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar, Lake Balaton edition. Make sure to hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.